Hey guys, what's up? Alright, in this video I'm going to teach you a very important chapter or very important topic, and this topic is as important because this is going to play a big role in your WordPress development career. And as the title suggests, we are going to learn how we can change the WordPress theme without losing the content. And it may be a big video or lengthy video rather, so bear with me for some time because I'm going to teach you a lot of things with this video. Although my focus would be on teaching you how to change WordPress theme without losing content, but in that steps you will also learn how to take a good backup of your website. You will also learn how to install WordPress locally, that is on your laptop or computer, and all these things you are going to learn not as a separate thing, but in the process while I'm teaching you how to change WordPress theme without losing the content. So you must be aware of the theme. What is a theme? Theme decides the look and feel of the website. This is my website, digitalshakib.com, and this is built on the very famous Astra theme. I have the pro version, and this is built on Astra theme. So if, for example, I want to change the theme, so what I'll do is go to backend of the WordPress, go to appearance, themes, and then I have the option of either uploading the theme or changing it by clicking add new. So you must be knowing how to change a theme. But the problem is rather that since this theme is built with some plugins, this theme comes inbuilt with some plugins. For example, this Astra theme comes with most of the templates, or most of the compatibility of this theme is with Elementor page builder. You must have heard of Elementor page builder, and most of this theme, if you either import a demo, or the compatibility problem will not be there if you are using Elementor page builder. If you don't know about Elementor, Google and you will come across many websites teaching you about Elementor. You will have my videos as well teaching about Elementor. So this is Astra theme is built with Elementor. Now suppose this page, my home page, is built with Elementor. As you can see, I have this option of edit with Elementor, indicating that this home page is built with the Elementor page builder. Now suppose I want to change it to some other theme like I purchased from Theme Forest, or I can use any of 2019, any of the themes. Suppose I change, let me change and show you the example. Let's change this theme. So let's activate one of the theme. I'm putting my website on the risk of losing the content, right? But I have already taken a backup and I know I can recover it for sure, so it's not a problem. It's just to teach you that suppose you change the theme directly, means what I'm doing, I activated a different theme and my website was previously built on Astra. Now I have activated 2019 theme. So let's refresh the home page and see what issues we are going to face. This is more of a caching problem, because the website should not look same. Okay, this page will look more or less the same, I suppose, because the Elementor, that's it. See, since I changed the theme without doing any formatting or changes in the backend, and I just changed the theme, see how my home page looks right now, how beautiful it was looking previously with the Astra theme, and now since I have changed the theme without doing anything, I lost the formatting. Now I want you to learn. See, I can teach you just what is the correct process, but I want you to learn that since Astra was built with this page builder called Elementor, and I have changed it to some other theme which doesn't support, maybe it does support, but my home page has been changed accordingly with the process of the theme. So that is going to disrupt or break my website as shown in this video. Now let me just quickly reactivate Astra theme and show you. Just reactivate my Astra theme and show you how my website looks pretty again, looks very beautiful again. It's one of the best lightweight theme you'll come across the internet. Astra, you can find the link in the description. You can obviously go for the pro version. It's cheap also, it's not that expensive. And my website is back. My website looks fantastic again, and it doesn't seems to have any problem now. So what I did, what I wanted to show you is, if I change theme directly, there would be issues with my website may break, my front end may not look proper. So what to do for starters or for beginners, this is a good very important issue you want to learn, because every now and then you are going to change WordPress theme for your clients or for your own website, because not many are satisfied with one theme. So obviously you are going to purchase one or two theme, and for your clients especially. So in this video I'm going to show you in detail. It would be a long video, a lengthy video rather, about 15 to 20 minutes it may go, but I'll try to keep it crisp and short, but I'm not going to miss any point. So bear with me. I'm going to teach you how to change WordPress theme without losing any content and doing it the perfect way. Okay, but before that I would please request you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making more interesting videos like this. And if you find this video helpful, do share this video on social media platforms. Alright, let's not waste a single minute of time and let's get started. We are going to follow a 3 or 4 step process. Let's make it 4. Although it is a 3-step process, let's make it 4 for our convenience. In the first step, write it down. If it is difficult for you, if you are a beginner, write it down. In the first step, this is our live website, right? We are going to take a complete backup of this website in this first step. Now many of you would know how to take a backup from the back end, from the hosting, but trust me, I'll teach you, I'll give you an option, the best way to back up your complete website without just a single click. You'll be able to back up, no database separately, no content separately. What we are going to do is just on a single click, we are going to take complete backup of the website, all inclusive, database, content, settings, optional, everything is going to be included in that one single file. So first step would be taking a backup of this website, live website rather, right? Second step would be to install WordPress on some sort of a staging area. If you don't know staging, it is like a area where you are going to play and it is not going to be live. Simple as that. In layman terms, I'm explaining you. Some sort of a staging. Some hostings do provide staging area, but we are not going to depend on hosting because many hostings are not providing staging area. So I'm going to teach you a bulletproof method of installing WordPress on your local machine, be it the laptop or your computer, MacBook, OS, anyone. So I'll teach you a bulletproof method of installing a fresh installation of WordPress, completely fresh installation of WordPress on your local machine. This is the second step. Third step would be install WordPress, and if I have a fresh installation of WordPress and I have already taken a backup of this live website, the second step would be install WordPress on a fresh local machine and import this live website there. Import the live website on our local WordPress so that we can make any type of changes and it would not reflect in the live website. I'll explain the second step. If we are going to make changes to this website and some customers, since it is live, and some people will go to my website and they'll find it broken, and it will create a very bad impression, and it is not the proper way. So what we are going in this do in the second step, install a fresh WordPress and import this complete website. This live website should look exactly the same on our local machine, correct? This is the second step. Third step is the most important step. Third step is we are going to make changes not on the live website, but rather we are going to make changes on our local WordPress. I'll teach you everything, just bear with me for the 4 steps. So if we are not going to make changes here, rather we'll install some WordPress in the local machine and on the staging area, wherever you are comfortable, I'll teach you, and we are going to make changes there. So what are the changes? We are going to firstly change the theme. So change the theme, make changes to the formatting. For example, this website got broken when I changed the theme. So I'll change the theme and I'll adjust everything. I'll make all the changes accordingly. I'll make everything accordingly with the which is in compatibility, which is incompatible with the new theme. I'll make each and every point of my website compatible with the new theme, and it will look beautiful. Again, since we are not making changes on the live website, my live website will look will have the old what you call theme, and it will work perfectly on the live server. So it shouldn't be touched. It shouldn't be touched, or you shouldn't play on the live website, correct? This is the third step. Third step is what? Changing the theme and making the changes accordingly. I hope you are with me till this point. The fourth and the final step would be, now we have a WordPress installation. We have changed the theme, correct? Till the third step, we have changed the theme, we have made changes to our website, and our website is ready to go live. Our website on the local machine is ready to go live. So in the fourth step, we are going to export the website from our local machine and import it to the live server. This is the fourth and the final step. So what is basically the crux, the idea behind this video is make changes not on the live website, rather make changes on some staging place, some local WordPress, do all the changes and bring it back on the live website. That is what I want you to learn from this video, and I'm pretty sure that I have made already this video in Hindi and people are loving that video. I'll teach you. So this is the video in English. So let's start with the first method, or the first step rather. First step is to go to what we called let's take a backup of this thing. Take a backup of my live website. Let's go and take a backup. So I want you to go to plugins in the backend on your live website and install 2 plugins. Okay. So go to add new. You must be knowing all these things since you are already aware of WordPress, you are using WordPress. First one is all in one. Just write all in one. And the second plugin by Serve Musk is all in one WP migration. We need to install this plugin. This is the first plugin. I told you we are on the first step, and I'm going to install 2 plugins right here. So first one is all in one WP migration. I've already installed it. Maybe I'll update for you so you can see. You need to install, it would be like this, something like this. So install this plugin all in one WP migration and activate it. It's slow, but update it. Fine. Once installed, this plugin is installed, you will have a tab here, all in one WP migration, export, import and backup option. Fine. So what I told you in the first step, we are going to export this website. We need to take the backup of this website, export it to the local machine, correct? So we are going to export it. Let's click export and see what are the options available for us. Okay. Okay, as I told you, we are going to need 2 plugins. But for export purpose, we are going to just need one plugin. Because for the export of this file, we don't have any hindrance, any limit on this plugin. I'll explain. while importing while importing, you will have to have two plugins, the one all-in-one WP migration and the pro version. Don't run away now, because I'll be providing the pro version for free, absolutely no cost at all, no strings attached. So bear with me. So what we will do, export. So export to, let's click on file. You have to click export to file, and this will start exporting. It will complete 100%. It won't have any problem. Let it run and do. After it shows 100%, then it will tell you to download, because once it is completely exported, it will save it on the server. Then it will ask you to download that file. When you have downloaded that file, the download file, should I show you? But I'll fast forward the video later while editing, but let me show you how to export. So click on export to and then file, and please wait, I'll fast forward the video if it takes a lot of time. So this is done creating an empty archive. This for me is the best possible way of taking a backup of your website. See, we are learning how to take a backup also. Complete backup in one file it would be. You don't have to do separately database, like with some plugins there is an option to do database separately. We don't need to do anything. We don't need to be worried about anything. We just need to click export to file, and we just need one plugin. That was my mistake, I told you two plugins. For exporting you'll need one plugin. Free plugin would be sufficient. Okay, so this is 17% already done. Okay, quicker. But I'll tell you, while importing, I'll fast forward the video if it takes a lot of time, don't worry. But while importing, we are going to need the extension version of the pro version also of all-in-one WP migration, and I'm going to provide you for free, so don't worry. So I'll be all right. So when this 100% is complete, I think it will take a bit of more time. सो जाओ ना, सो जाओ, बोला सो जाओ, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है ना, बोले जा रही हो, बोला सो, ट्राई करो, नींद आएगी. हाँ, बोला सोने के लिए. हाँ तो सोगी तो ठीक होगा ना. Alright, we are back and it has completed 100%. It took maybe it did 100% twice for once for database, I guess. And after 100%, don't close anything. See, it's blinking and telling you to download digitalshakib.com or your domain name. So let's click download here and it will start downloading this file. Let's click download and it will start automatically downloading this file to your local machine. So I'll give an option wherever I want to save. I have already saved it. Let's close it for now. And here is the file. This is the file I have already taken a backup. So it would be .wpress. So it should complete 100%, otherwise obviously it will be a faulty backup. So it will complete 100%, and here we complete the first step. What was the first step? We have exported our live website. Now we are not going to make any changes to this, any changes on the live website. So let's leave it for some time and let's step into step 2. We are going to install WordPress. We are going to install WordPress on our local. This is my laptop. I'm going to install WordPress here. That will not be live. So what is the process? See, server is there for each servers are connected over the web so that the website which are hosted on that server will be live on the internet, correct? So but we don't need a live website, so we don't need a server, but we do need some requirements. There are some requirements for the WordPress to work, and so they are Apache in the backend and also SQL, MySQL database for storing the database. Now there are many applications which creates an environment for making this possible, and there are many important and famous ones, such as one is local by Flywheel. This is famous. XAMPP is famous. You can check the spelling here. Local by Flywheel, this is very famous. MAMP is there for Macintosh, I guess. XAMPP, MAMP, local. And my Hindi video, in my Hindi same chapter, same topic video, I have used this software local because I was very I was liking this. There's the free, completely free, so there's no such thing that I'm promoting new product or something like that. So I was using local, but now I know of a application called Laragon, and I find it for beginners especially. Local is more feature rich if you are, but Laragon is more portable. Speed wise, it's very good. I think it will install WordPress with a single click. It works flawlessly, and this have been my go-to application for installing WordPress lately on my local machine, of course. So go to Laragon, Laragon.org, and go to download section and download this application. It has a funny elephant logo, and you need to install this. Download Laragon full. It's around 130 MB. Download and install it. I'm very hopeful that you will be able to download and install this application, because this is basic. exe file would be there, and once installed, first you have to download, then you have to install. Once installed, just type in Laragon in your start, or if you have made a desktop icon, just open Laragon and let's see how it works. This is the dashboard of Laragon. Just click on start all, and two things have started. One is the Apache, as I already told you, and one is MySQL, which is there for the database. This is of the port. You don't need to change anything. Let's keep it to default. And after that, let's right click here and click on quick app. When you go to quick app, there would be many options such as blank, WordPress, Drupal, Laravel, and Drupal is also a kind of CMS like WordPress. So we are interested in WordPress. Let's click WordPress. Give it a name. Let's give, that was Digital Shakib. My website was digitalshakib.com. So let's give Digital Shakib demo should work. Let's give hyphen, I guess. digital Shakib demo, or you can staging anything you want, anything you can write here, won't be a problem. And this is the installation of WordPress. I think we are going to, it's so quick, my goodness. Local, it will take at least 5 minutes. I don't really prefer local nowadays. Come on, I'm gonna host for you. Yes. All right, so either we can go click on the visit site, or if you have closed it, you can, all the websites added on Laragon would be shown here, www dot. So we have added digital Shakib demo. So let's click on this and see if it opens perfectly or not. Yeah, so it is installing WordPress perfectly. One more thing, some people are having issues. When you open Laragon, make sure you run it as an administrator. That's the thing. So let's click English and continue. And I'm going to give you a very important tip here. Site won't matter because we are going to import everything. Digital anything. Acha, I'll give you a very important, very important tip. What tip? Username and password, keep it the same as it is on your live website. Why I'm saying this? It won't make any difference, but I have this experience that many people are having issues logging in because they are not understanding that even the database has also been imported. So they are having some issues with this. So username and admin, keep it the same as with your live website. So let's I'm giving anything because I'm not going to import here. Confirm ASD, fine. Email, just write anything, install WordPress. This is like half process of second step. This is the half process of second step. So we are going to go further. Yeah, save it for me. Let's log in. Make sure that Laragon is every time running when you are visiting this website, this .test website. And let's remember me and log me in. And now we have a completely free WordPress installation without spending a penny on hosting, although it is not live on the server. Let's check the back end, the front end. Is it working fine or not? See, it's a fresh installation of WordPress and it should work. It's a fresh installation of WordPress. Now this is completed half of the second step. The other half of second step is to install 2 plugins. So let's go on add new. Let's speeden up the process so that the video is not that lengthy. And first of all, I want you to install the same all-in-one WP migration plugin. So let's install now. Yeah, let's activate this one plugin. This is one plugin is installed and activated. As you can see, I have this tab here. The second plugin, because we are going to import, let me go in import and show you what's the restriction limitation to this plugin. See, it is saying maximum file upload size is 2 GB, get unlimited. So for most website, I think it should work perfectly. 2 GB is like too much, but still sometime it is 512. I am not sure, it was previously 512 MB only. And some big websites who are crossing 2 GB limit, they need an extension, unlimited extension, that is the pro version. I'm providing that pro version for free. From where? This is my website and this is $0. Just click download now and you'll be able to download. The link of this website is in the description. You can check other plugins there as well. So let's install one more plugins. Go to plugins, add new. When you download from here, you'll get a zip file. So let's install that zip file. Go to upload, choose file. I'm not sure where I've kept it. Fine. So let's install this plugin. So these are the two plugins which you require when you are going to import. For exporting, just one plugin, the free version is good enough. The pro version, I don't know how much it cost, but this is the GPL licensed version, and you don't need to worry. It doesn't contain any virus, any malicious code. It will work perfectly. See, this is the unlimited extension. Now let's go back to import and see is there any limitation. Now the upload file size is unlimited, although 2 GB is I think more than sufficient for 90% of the websites. So now we are going to import. First step was to export, so second step we are going to import. So import from file, and you are going to select that file. We are going to select that file which we have exported earlier, and I have saved it somewhere. I'll show you. Yeah, this is the file 25. Yeah. So let's click open and let this process happen for how much. It will depend on the size of your website. It will depend on the size of your website. So here almost the tutorial is complete. How? Why I'm saying this? Because we have just reached 2 steps, and I told you, I promised you 4 steps. But let it happen in the background. Now I'm not going to make changes to my website and show you what. When you are done with importing everything, your website, this test website or the demo website, would look exactly the same as this website. I hope I'm clear. Exactly the same. Then what you do, you go to the third step, change the theme, not on the live website but here in this demo website. Change the theme, make the necessary changes, make the necessary formatting, make the necessary changes on your staging or the demo website or the local website, whatever you want to call it. Make the necessary changes there. After that we have completed step 3. Step 3 is what? Changing the theme and making all the changes, necessary required changes on the staging on this website, on this demo website, which is not live. I hope I'm clear. This is going fast. Okay, make the changes there. And the fourth, what would be the fourth step? The fourth step, when your website on this local, on this demo or this test website is ready to go live, when this website is ready to go live, what you want to do now? What you want to do now is export this website. Now the process is reversed. Let's proceed. Now the process is reversed. Process is reversed means export from the local WordPress installation and import it on the live website. So I'll suggest, since you have already created a backup on the live website also, you delete the WordPress, you delete everything, no problem. You delete the WordPress, you delete everything, as you have a good backup, as you have seen that the backup is working on this local website already. So you can delete the fresh installation of WordPress on this live server and then install a WordPress and then reinstall these 2 plugins, all in one WP migration, all in one WP migration extension. I know you are going to you know now from where to download all these plugins. Once done, what we are going to do, export from here, export from this after making the changes, all the themes, all the necessary formatting and everything. Export from here, and after installing a live fresh installation of WordPress, import here. The website would look, and now the theme has been changed and our local website has been changed, has been transferred to the live website. This is the best possible way of changing a theme without losing a content on your live website. So let me show you what we need to do. The first step is export my live website here. From here you need to export the live website. Second step is quite simple. Second step is just install WordPress locally through Laragon. We are going to install WordPress and then import the exported file, which the file we have exported previously. Just import that file. It's going to take a lot of time. It will depend on the size of the website, so I'm not showing you here. The third step would be to make the necessary changes on your staging area, on your demo website or your local website. Make changes on the theme, all the formatting, each and check everything. Take how many days possible you require, take any number of days, but do when the website is completely ready to go live, export from there, install the 2 plugins every time if required. And the plugins, the pro version, I'm providing it for you free, so it's not an issue. And then export from the local and import on the live website to make the necessary last minute formatting such as permalinks and everything, and your website would be live with the changed theme. So I hope you enjoyed this long session with me. Thank you so much for watching, but before going, I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video as much as possible. Thank you, have a good day.